Hi, this is Larry Kearney. Welcome to my review of the new method called Galaxy 10K Review. Now, this is a new system by Glenn Klosky, which is one of the top internet marketers in the country. He comes out with great products every month. Expose 400, 400 billion Instagram AI loophole. Pays us $25 to $100 over and over again for uploading done-for-you videos. We're making thousands per month, and it's your turn. Now, obviously, these numbers vary for each person when you're doing this type of program, but he's giving you his system, and it's only $17. And when you click away from the page or click at the top, it probably dropped down to $3 or $4, so it'd be even cheaper. And it's giving you a 180-day money-back guarantee. So for any reason, if you're not happy with the program, if you're not making enough money, you can get your money back with this system. Now here it says, we get paid for uploading done-for-you videos, 100% automated passive system. We get paid even when we sleep. Turnkey system creates multiple additional streams of passive income, zero hidden fees or additional expenses. We give you everything. So he has, as I said before, he has great programs, and they're very inexpensive. So it's a way to start making passive income. Now, whether you're making $25 a day or $100 a day or whatever the number, it's a great way to get started making money. If you're not making money right now online, this is one of the easiest ways to start making money. As I said before, it comes with a 180-day money-back guarantee, and it gives you 10 additional bonuses for free delivered to you instantly. So check it out. Click the link below if there's something you think you want to look into. And he has the money back guarantee, and he's known online. He's not like somebody just made a course one time. He makes courses, makes them available all the time, and his courses are normally have value. Now, how much value, it really depends on what you put into it. Okay, it's Larry Kearney. Click the link below, check it out. If there's something you want to do to start making passive income, this is one of the best methods out right now. Okay, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see everyone in the next video.